ni.
Apa cakap tu?
Selamat datang.
Good evening.
Selamat datang. Sorry. Say hi. Hi.
It's really sometimes unique and he has a chance to come to Malaysia.
Ya, telefon.
And she very pleasured for this chance. And he hope everyone has good time, enjoy this time. Thank you.
Saya translator pun BIF. Tu je, salah-salah bro. Tapi cari tu dia ada sesi jawab.
Kau nak tadi cakap banyak.
I think in all Indian hands here, like Arya Mia, and you sing, you know Arya Mia. And of course you sing mini GD, it's Arya Mia,
Bosan,
Fools, and
kau dah letak protector?
I'm not sure how many of you really know the history or what they have achieved in the past.
Mana letak? Tak boleh.
Arya
Lain side.
has been called the god of
Lain side.
in many different ways. I don't know.
Kita sebutlah kisah. Dia bukan kitab dia pula. Kitab sejarah.
From 2015 to 2025, he won the award every year in Tokyo House alone. That's an achievement.
Sini ada.
All is hard. But that's not it. You think Arya Mia is a cooking house, makes hot cakes, makes bigger horsepower, combos fast, looks cool? No, you're wrong. Crazy. This is all the achievement Mr. Amamiya achieved in the past. From E1 drift to Super GP, especially he won many races in Malaysia. That is also one of the reasons we choose this as a place to do a special event in skiing. So now, you don't normally have a tuning house, can build car, looks nice, run fast, and win race. As far as I know, Mr. Amamiya is the only one. So please give a applause to Mr. Amamiya. We're going to make the night a bit short because, to be honest, I'm aware we have 400 friends here and waiting for signature. So we'll make the speech a little bit shorter. For Mini GP, these are the 6 cars we plan to work with Mr. Amamiya. And the first one already on the market, the Amazon Go, then as a sponsor for the E1 GP. We are already scaling the car and we prepare to produce the model of the E1 drift car. And of course, everybody is familiar with Arya Mia's history, the second generation R7, the first gen, NSA spec recreation from Amamiya, not one award, definitely on the list. This one. It's a little bit special. I saw the photo and some internet information in the past before, and I did not pay a lot of attention to this car until I visited Mr. Amamiya's garage, and this car was doing restoration. And it was a very fun car. So I decided, for my own reason, to use it. But don't forget, it also won the Tokyo House Salon Award. The last car, this R7, is the newest Mini from Tokyo Auto Salon. It is the winner of this year's Tokyo Auto Salon Grand Award. and it gets me thinking. Because tonight, my son is here. When I was 16, that's what I first know about Arya Mamiya. And now, when I have a son and he saw Mamiya in this age, he still feels the card in reading awards. I never saw it. So I decided this has to be one of the products we develop and produce
Dia kata, terima
for the
kasih.
next 12 months to celebrate his achievement and his dedication to this business. So this is a card we're going to share with you with Arya Mamiya, and then we're going to show you a little bit more about other TV stuff. So we're going to do hypercars. These are the 4 hypercars will come in the next 12 months.
Yang mana?
We have the new McLaren W1, we have the Bugatti,
Mana?
we have the AMG.
Ada Ferrari.
Yang ini.
Esok lah keluar.
Also,
TMC.
Ni ramai yang
but we have many supercars.
ramai buka PO.
Many of those.
Yelah yang ada Ferrari, ada Porsche.
So now this is
Esok keluar.
our official
Arigato.
accessories.
Ini kita nak.
We have Nissan, everybody knows. We have
Yang sebelum ni mini GT tu.
AMG and Porsche. We're going to have the Porsche dealership and the AMG center. So this will be the next 2 diorama we are bringing for everyone.
Dia memang license lah kan.
I hope you like it.
Tak, dia dah lah banyak Nissan. Dia dah lah banyak Nissan. Dia dah lah banyak Nissan punya produk. Diorama Porsche dengan Merc banyak tu mini GT. Merc? Merc yang baru ni yang 10 biji tu.
Boleh lah, pun bukan.
Motor dah dia dah
Baik lah.
Dia dah tu.
Dia kali dengan 3.
Ha. Dia nak bagi figure macam kecil sangat pula.
Dah buka dah, nak buka dah dengan 3.
Oh, Pepper.
Then
Ni USK ni.
we will have the Heritage Classic.
Tadi live
In
wire.
the third one,
Live wire.
there's the Vera. Audi Davidson with the Porsche engine. Right? So this will be the first 3 motorbikes we produce under the Mini GT and Audi Davidson program. And they will be finished when show for everybody in the next about 6 to 7 months. So now, my friend and partner, June.
Yang tunjuk saya dah marah. Dah bayar. Oh, Jima memang US. Dia dari US.
Hi friends, how are you doing? Good? Alright, let's have some fun, yeah? Alright, good to be back to Malaysia. This is what the 3rd dinner that I've done. Always a pleasure to be back here. Malaysia's always my second home, so it's a pleasure to be back. Let's take a look at some fun stuff, shall we? Shall we? There you go. Okay, so you might ask, what's up with all the hot dogs? What's up with all the hot dogs for the event this year? So there's a reason why. First of all, who got the Black Limited today? Raise your hand. Make some noise if you got Black Limited today. Let's hear it. Alright. So you got that one. You got one of those. You got the purple one for the purple one. If you're trying to complete it also, best of luck to all of you at the event. But there's a reason why we chose Hakoska for the event card this year is because the real car was actually supposed to be here. We had intentions to bring this. Unfortunately, there's some things happening back in the U.S. that prevented us from bringing this year. But thank you to Glenn, Jake, and the whole team who tried to get this started. We did bring another car here to the expo, so hope you guys enjoy that. That's why we had Hakoska as the event. There's been a lot of
Bukan masalah. Rumah rosak.
Masalah hati.
Couple of things, so we're going to show you some of the things that we've been busy with. The first thing is Paddle House Garage. If any of you are in the United States, if you're in LA, please come by. We're opening Paddle House Garage in Venice Beach. And we're actually going to have a soft pop-up here in a few weeks. So stay tuned for announcements for that. It's a really big step for us. And it's going to be a good time. It's really going to be a place where we can share our brand, tell our stories, and build a community. So it's going to be great. We're going to have Red over pretty soon, so it's going to be a really good time. I hope to see you there sometime. And these are some of the brands that we've been working on. Some of them you've seen, some of you're familiar with. We're going to dig into some of these in a minute here. And we're going to take you through some of our partnership journeys. And of course, we're very busy with our project vehicles. Some of them you've seen as a K2P car, and some of them are upcoming. So look forward to that. So let's talk about some of our new partnerships. One of the partnerships we want to highlight is our new collaboration with Daigo Shikara. He is a world champion race car driver across many disciplines. Dai is actually kind of my neighbor who lives nearby. He lives about 5 minutes away. Wonderful guy, amazingly talented. And I would love to stand up here and tell you about Dai and his accolades and all the great things about him. But we've actually got a special guest here today. And I'd like to welcome Chris Marion to the stage. Chris, Chris has a lot of things going for himself. He's built many of the actual product cars you've seen throughout the car community. If you've ever seen the show over probably decades, he's built many of the cars that you've seen there. He's built many of our cars, including Acosta. He built our Acosta. And he's an all-around great guy. So I'm going to turn it over to Chris, and he's going to share with you great things about that. And we're going to get going. All right. I'll take it for you. All right. Let me know when we want me to play.
So we're usually on the ground before
Saga. Saga.
So with the that'll be living in the diecast.
It's base, to be 190. 190.
Well, aside from that, Dai has many accolades to driving. What we chose him was his premise behind the wheel and in the shop, making a vehicle do amazing things. We needed a driver to kind of do some wild things because we're pushing a little bit of performance and design with this vehicle. So we ended up taking Dai Hard, which is an NSX. Again, I'm laying on the floor. So we're going to be doing some things with the vehicle that haven't been done before. We're using a lot of 3D printed parts, body accessories, in order to achieve the look and style that nobody has done before. We have some amazing partners on board with this build. With that, they are Evasive Motorsports, they're put on the tire, PW suspension, Spark, wheels,
Tidak ada. Ini confirm keluar limited. Belkin. Tak. Oh ada ambil gambar tu.
Just next model. Nampak banyak brand.
Hey guys.
Hopefully you won't hear about it. We're going to try to capture the iterations of this project. It's going to go on for quite a long journey. And we still have challenges with that. We plan to do this twice.
Ini. Ada suara kecil.
Itu rasa Kali
tak kena. Tu kereta lain. Ambil lepas.
Masa dah follow. Dia dah follow. Ini awak.
Fantasi. Ini kayu.
If you're making
Skull shaker.
these
Skull
slides,
shaker.
anytime we have some new
Kita
stuff.
kena shaker.
There are three main qualities
Serius lah.
for Pat Austin.
Ada ni bang. Dekat dia punya tubuh nanti satu. Ni.
If you're well immersed
Dia
in
3D
this
pun
world,
cakap.
you might
Warna putih. Dia letak warna kelabu ni.
find and potential of each of these stars. Right? And with that, we want to push the limits. We want to see what we can do. We want to create higher detail, add a lot of function, and have a lot of creativity, have fun with each of our releases. And the third is clean authenticity. As you can see, we live and breathe this stuff. We live and breathe car culture. We build real cars. We love the web diecast. And we love doing what we do. So, this is the Kyleworks T1 VW bus. We actually revealed this concept at last year's dinner. We're happy to say that we're actually almost done with this one, so we're going to see it soon. Pre-order. And it's going to be fun. We have the front, we got the seats down the end, the clamshell, to reveal the Flat 6 engine. Tons of detail on this one. And we love our engines in detail. Also, the S16
Oh ni, kita nak
cylinder
video ni.
is also motion. I believe that's what we're trying to do. That's what we're trying to do.
Kena buka.
Here,
Ha, boleh buka.
is that.
Lah dia macam kalau abang main darat.
Also, the
Benda sama juga dia buat. Benda pun dia dekat ni.
Kita kan tak dapat nak lihat ni. Kau bosan tak? Kau tak?
Ha, ini baru mula Lila. Dia Cairo Star.
Now, when you hear Title Star, a lot of people think, well, Title Star is also this smaller concept that we shared probably about 2 years ago.
Bang. Kalau
And recently, so this is my
kalau kita dapat rezeki
collaboration
pergi
with
IDE punya dinner,
And
boleh sama lagi.
we had a vision, you know, it's like, I think maybe it's
Bulan 10
time.
macam tu. Saya tak tahu ada benda macam dekat IDE. Lawa lawa ni.
This is one that we shared.
Lawa tu tak ada kot.
Ini buat apa pula ke?
108 tu. 108 tu. Mostly ya.
Sama ada dengan macam
Macam transport ni. Transport.
jangan baju. Kita sebutkan.
Eh,
180.
benda ni saya nak jumpa baju.
So DGK,
Tak jual ke?
we had
Saya nak jaket
we
bang.
actually brought DGK
Dah lalu tengok model.
version 1 right
Alah,
here
kita.
in
Ni apa tadi? Repeat.
where the Expo is. So how many of you guys got this car? You guys all got it? So there's been a lot of questions as to
Tak payah bangga sangat cakap kita scalper kan.
Yes. So we have DGK version 2.0. It's going to be coming out. Next year, and we are going to drop it here in KL again. Look forward to that. And it's almost done here. Next slide. Okay. Now, there have only been like maybe 4 or 5 people who know about this. And those 4 or 5 people are all here in this room. For the first time, we are sharing with you, all of you here at this dinner, this collaboration that we've been working on for about 2 or 3 years. And we just got permission to share these today. Any guesses?
Apa ni?
No? And that's also before this year, and we're going to drop it here in Dale.
Aku je tak dapat bayar kereta.
Alright? Thank you, everyone.
3-4 putih tu keluar kat mana? 3-4 putih.
Yang mana?
Our friend from Indonesia, Mizu.
Mizu. Ni bang.
Nah, ini tak nampak lagi. Baru
Tak tahu keluar mana.
siren.
Macam polis, tapi semua transparent.
Apa dia?
Tak tahu keluar mana.
Itu prototype.
Tak tahu. Memang dia punya keluaran.
Tadi kan.
Hello, I'm Mizu. This is our new collaboration with EDB. We have
Dia punya bentuk memang gini.
90 bus. Component information sold
Ha?
donated by everyone.
Lepas tu dia boleh ambil B. Bromedik.
Sebab dia custom tu sendiri.
Dia kasih sendiri. Dia akan design. Lepas tu dia design. Ayo bang.
Index 5 during the spirit of life, including vibrant color and classic TV sound.
Tapi dia buat
That's
sendiri.
all. Thank you.
Kereta yang keluar ni. Dia boleh buat sendiri. Abang tu tak untuk NGX ni, dia ada buat kereta custom 10 biji. 10. Tapi tak apa.
Tak dengar apa-apa.
Tu lah ni. Bas.
This is still the inbuilt concept.
Tapi kalau dia dah datang
Over there, and then you have NVX to short grip on. So we approached Mizu when we had the Volkswagen permission to do the
Tapi sebenarnya tu tak, saya rasa kan dia orang tak nak
our
pro.
T120.
BM.
And I approached her and said,
Abang nampak tak?
can you
Kalau dia
do
buka tu buat
a
macam nanti tak kata, faham? Takut tenggelam. Tahu kan? Sebab last year B dah bagi dah. Kita custom dekat iklan.
Masa tu.
Okey lah, okey.
now,
3-5 tadi tak?
spend some time
Tahun ni 2 biji.
to show the
Kita lain dia.
So, let's go.
Kalau ada orang dapat lesen, saya important folder.
King, our winner from last year's Christmas design.
Oh dia ke pemenang dia? Tahun lepas ni masih di JK kan ada jual?
Say thanks to
Yang menang dari samping nak kita Christmas donation. Hotel.
Kat Sana Sonet. Tempat-tempat.
Dia target PS lah.
Lepas tu dia kena ada ni bang. Hari raya kontes. Ketupat lemah
Ada
macam tu.
tempat. Exam dia nak.
So, how do you guys like this content?
Ada gambar kambing kena sembelih kat tepi kereta kan? Ada gambar kambing kena sembelih kat tepi kereta. Nampak tak?
Well, let's discuss a little bit. These are the
Christmas.
so these are all other winners. Some of them are here, so please, you know,
Memang semua
I'll
kereta
still
ni lah kereta dia.
design.
Kita kalau kereta gini kan memang kita takkan. Orang tak Christmas kan? Tapi kereta ni dia bagi kereta dia bagi design dia nak.
Design. So next time around, we can do a better job.
Dia kasih duit sekali.
A lot of the
Tapi kan tahu
design
siapa yang dapat menang ni.
but
Dia
it
boleh
didn't
bagi
make
satu
it the final
tiga gini.
selection.
Semua
Actually,
dah
the
sponsor.
most common reason
Semua
is
gini.
impossible.
Semua di. Kan masa dia orang buat macam pengundian program ni kan ada dia orang kenal.
Ini datang bayar. Yalah.
So next time, when you make your design,
Sebab tu kereta dia harga.
you need to consider if you
Tak member tu orang modal ada senang.
to reduce it 164 scale, and is that possible? If not, then we are not able to choose it and reduce it to produce a beautiful color. That's one of the most common reasons. Second is, for example, you see colors like this, where you split them. This is also impossible. I remember one of the designs, Apple Pro,
Contoh je LTD esok pasal dia pergi malam ni LTD LTD esok ni sekali yang ni dua kan dia pun kau dia pun kau boleh jual harga tu sebelum dengan LTD 1,500
then your chance of winning the next design award will be much greater. Okay?
saya ada dosa
So
dia
remember
jual
this.
cepat dia bagus
Then we will move to the next subject.
Jadi NSF ni. Lagi hope ni. Betul.
Mini GD
Dino
YouTube channels. So we are here to announce we don't have a YouTube channel. We have been recording videos of various events, and we will start sharing those videos with everyone. In fact, now all of you is being recorded and you'll be on the next videos, right? So please follow us, and we will share some of the events. We will share some insights. For example, if I visit our company, we do research after the project is finished. We will show some videos. We will share all the videos here. So please follow us, and we will show you some interesting insight of MGD. Next. So YouTube is not working. So I want to talk about communities. We are approaching 10th year of MiniGD pretty quick. And we have many communities, clubs, so learning us since day one. So here are the two big clubs. One is the most member, MiniGD fan clubs, over 56,000 members. We have MiniGD collector clubs, since year one, 2017. So this is the oldest and the one is the lowest member. I want to show my appreciation. I want to say thank you to all of you in supporting us since the founding of MiniGD. And we have two more clubs I want to show everybody. Sorry. So IMGT Club. This is since 2018, you have almost 45,000 members, but not only the numbers of members or the years. They spend a lot of time meeting, promoting MiniGD, share the hobby, share the passion. So thank you so much, IMGT, and we're glad that we have your support. And the next one is our friend from Mexico. Of course, we don't have them here, but I still want to show my appreciation. They are not as big as the clubs in Asia, but they do the same. They have birthday party together. I wish I could join them. MiniGD birthday parties in Mexico. And they do events together as well. They do their own podcasts. So I encourage everybody join their Facebook, their Amazon, and I appreciate all the support. All right? MiniGD will not be what it is today without all of your support. So thank you so much. Thank you. Then we're going to have a little interesting discussion. The record gift. So, first, the record gift start in 2020. The famous number.
Ada saya jual. Berapa? 30.
And then in 2023, we introduced number 410. So today we'd like to announce the retire of number 410. And we're going to announce the car number 3 for everyone. So let's meet item number 1000, the new director gift. This is the first among us to make a famous color. It took a little bit longer because I had to show the So it's Watt Pro. So this will be the newest derivative number 1000. Alright? And I guess you guys will be the next question is who's getting it. Alright? Would you like to see this model?
Ya. Balik. Bergaduh. Bergaduh. Siapa pula tanya aku?
There it is. We will put it in the display case to show
Ini nak
people
campak.
the new number 1000, the corrected seal. And I guess I'll do the recipe there. All we need is a
Siapa pula tanya? Jangan. Siang letak ni. Macam mana pula dia keluar dari tinggi?
Let's welcome Andrew and David. Some of you are very aware of the law. They have an earframe of EGG, and then they do a lot of support, a lot of work behind. And to be honest, I mean, even as owner of EGG, I do have my setbacks.
Dia pagi tu. Pagi tu. Bindi.
I've been on the road for 40 days and miss my home. Then I would, normally I check my Facebook when I'm on the airplane somewhere. And I would see their posts, their activities, and it gives me courage to carry and move on because I see all the fans supporting the events. So I would try harder and work harder. So when we decided to announce the new number 1000, it comes to my mind that Andrew, David, and then once I'm here, Mario from Mexico, we will send you. The 3 people will be the first 3 people receive the MeTV 1000. Right? It took me a while to get your first one. Now you're the first one.
Apa tu? Apa?
It's a really tough too. All right. Thank you. All right. So give us a few minutes break, and we're going to come back with Q&A. We'll try to answer some of your questions. All right. See you in a few minutes.
RM10,000 juga.
All right, one of the residents of this event, thank you so much. We'll be taking a short break, which will be preparing for the Q&A session. So if you guys have any questions,
Dapat. Ada botak dia.
preparing and we will be starting the Q&A session in a few minutes time.
Sorry. Okey. Macam mana dapat dia creator gift ah? Macam mana? Oh, iya ke? Dia bagi dekat siapa? Dekat distributor? Ya. Ya. Dulu kan. Dulu aku beli dari Tegi pun. I beli tu 2 tahun lepas macam tu 1,000. Ada damage dekat dia punya side mirror Lamborghini. Tengok je Lambo kan budak Indon jual. Dia punya side mirror patah tau. Side mirror patah. Tengok je. Pergi dapat sale.
Ha?
Dapat sale lagi.
Tak ada lah. Orang tu nak jual pula.
Orang jual. Nak beli. Cuk.
Kan. Nombor. Nombor 7 kan? Sebelah kan? Dah sampai.
Well, I guess I already answered this, right? We are doing body terrorism, and then we will also be doing condom work. So in addition to body terrorism, you will see a Honda Boeing prototype at our NDA schools. So we will be making more prototypes. Next is June.
Lots of merchandise from different countries like the ABC. We're going to assume this is referring to the non-diecast products we make, our apparel line, everything line, systems, things like that. We are working on expansion and bringing this into select retailers around the world. We do acknowledge that we don't ship to a lot of regions we would like to. For various reasons.
Tak tahu, aku tengah tanya budak.
But we are working on it and we hope to have a solution for all.
Aku tak nak pun barang ni. Tak pula buat. Abang Hardy. Abang apa tu? Hardy ISM. Facebook.
Well, I think this question starts
Owner of apa Facebook apa? Head of Manager Team Malaysia. Kenapa dia tak recognize video? Baru. 7.8. 7.8 gig. Tadi belum.
So yes, we are slowly extending the line. We're trying to be creative with different products for friends, support our friends, and enjoying the daily life. So this year we have a small
Aku juga dah pakai itu.
and definitely will go to some new ideas with a lot of proposals and plans and things to do. Right?
Wording and inspiration for designs. This is a really good question. It seems really simple, but it's actually really hard to answer. It comes from most of places. One thing that's been described a lot is travel. It's seeing cultures and experiences, seeing what's out on the streets, interacting with people, with friends, and actually part of a lot of inspiration from You'll see what I come up with based on my experiences.
So yes, this was asked earlier. Design competitions. We have a few ideas and we haven't had a conclusion, but for sure we definitely will have more design competition. I think it's a good way to bring in some creative design to the mini lineup and also have fans engaging us and involved in the design process. So while we haven't decided which one, but we definitely will keep everyone updated.
So let's ask you guys, who wants a Title House 135 GTR? Come on. Who wants it? It's one of them. Let's do it. Alright, yes.
So our friend from India. Yes, India is one of the strong growing market for us, and we really appreciate. It's amazing. I met some of the friends over there from India express their passion, and we're definitely looking forward to some of the marketing with India. So we are in the process of talking to the local farmer. The process takes time because many of you understand regardless of size, the quality of the events. So we would like to ensure fans all over the world will see similar treatments. Everybody get high quality events on BTT because all of them are treated equally. Definitely something on our radar, and we definitely have to do something with something. Alright? Thank you for your support, India.
Pasal nonton banyaklah orang like tau semua Filipin.
Yang orang tu kan.
This is a really good question. I think it's going to be something that will influence the KJG world. As you can see, we're going to be doing a hauler this year. So maybe something for next year we can do
Bila kita yang IG masa tu follow lah. Sebenarnya saya ni juga. Kau bunyi tu.
Yes, I think we already have few racing programs going on, and we are focusing on the current one because it's a lot of resources to support Army. It's not only about budget support. We work with them on deliveries, producing model car, work with them promoting both BTT and racing team. So we're definitely looking for new opportunity at the same time. There's still the time shopping opportunities. So we do it. And when the right part shows, we definitely take it.
favorite Japanese carpet. So a loaded question. I'm going to have to say Nissan. And because of GTR. Favorite car? And going back to the message,
Ni ratio salah ni. Ratio salah. Ratio sebelah bukan satu-satu. 6 susu 1 tik. Tak benda free boleh try macam-macam bang.
Mana ada benda free?
Bang, itu psikologi bang. Sudah ganti.
fascination with Skyline and GTR and this stuff. Yeah.
Not sure for the dinner, we have to wait until the dinner ends and then jangan get the break sekejap.
Well, my motivation you guys.
Tapi dia di Malaysia. Di Malaysia.
First, thank you. You are really motivation.
Ada hal.
One is still, one is still. And now so, honestly, sometimes I usually amount a message from fans.
Apa yang sekarang? Orang nak baca tu? Untuk KTB tu kau dah baca tu sekarang? Nanti ni. Oh, kena.
You guys are the reason to keep me going.
Esok
So thank you so much. You are my motivation and that's the answer. Alright? And of course, we will continue to do more either one-night event or smaller pop-up event that I hope I will have more opportunity to engage with collectors and more discussion. And that's one of my goals for the future market. So definitely, we will try to do something more.
Well, we answered the kind of all
We did.
But, yeah, awesome models for sure. The future plans for well, you saw there in my presentation earlier, we are opening the house garage. And that itself is a long-time dream in the making come true. And something that I personally want to do in our team. We've been working on it for quite some time to make that happen. And I think from there, we're going to really see a lot of the potential the brand has, grow to the 50. And yeah, that's going to be kind of a big move this year. And we're going to have any events and gatherings, obviously our merchandise program and lifestyle program. And we look forward to moving all for the road.
A simple yes, well, it's complicated life, but a simple yes, we do. And we have currently a couple territory discussion right now. So it's kind of continue of the answer I had earlier. It has to be a place that can provide location for us to build a quality event like this. So we can provide a quality presentation and experience. So we currently have about 2 new markets we are currently in consideration. It's going to take a little bit more time to finalize it. Right? We're not really going to as soon as stuff are.
Yeah, and this is a great question. So for those of you who don't know, I've been a skateboarder my whole life. I still skate, not as good or flexible as I used to be when I was younger, but skateboarding is a big part of my life, and that is why collaborations like UGK make a lot of sense for us. It's very and all of our collaborations. And you know, we shared with you in our collaboration social club, and
saya rasa kat sana kan kat Beijing tu kan saya duduk kat luar saya meja dulu betul-betul macam 54 lepas tu saya pusing batu kursi atas meja tu kan memang tu 3 kali kalau di lesen kereta dinner tu dah ada nak sign kat ni kalau sex crew tu berapa jual? Sex crew tu berapa soal? Ada cheese. Dapat cheese. Dia buat balik sana di sel.
Unfortunately, over the last few years,
kira aku $300 hobi tadi aku cakap
strange, funny situation. Everybody, and I understand a lot of collectors are unhappy with this situation. And I have to say there are times I would feel it's probably easier to just forget it. There's no more show exclusive, and it's more peaceful for everybody and all their parents. But then when I came to Malaysia, I see all these wonderful collectors and support the brands. I feel it's not fair to punish all you guys because a small group of people struggle. So for us, we are working our best at managing the situation. Like the one night, we do our best to filter the guests. We try to have a real collector attending the event. So that's a way to do it. And hopefully we can find some balance in the middle. But I still want to use show us model for all the collector. It makes a strong effort to show. And I talked about this before. Any of our distributors one requirement for show is so what happened? Any unsold model has been destroyed.
Because I happy.
Any distributor who have unsold model, they keep it. They'll never have an event and new model ever. So this is our internal. So strictly for any collector who join us at the event, by the set. So I'm doing my best, and I'm open for idea. but we will do our best to manage the situation. All right? I hope you guys understand.
This is a question that comes up quite a bit. RWB, so they're obviously pillars in the art culture community. I know them very well. We're all very good friends. And I think the possibility that interests me more would be to actually do a kind of spiritual design portion of it. I think that's something that is of more interest to me personally. So that's right.
Our marketing team is incredibly about this. We have been thinking if we have a membership system, what's the benefit and what we want to do, what type of information we want to share with the collectors. Because it's not easy when we have collectors global-wide. Right? So, for example, how are we going to share the membership line? We have collectors from India, of course, most of Asia, and as far as South America. So there are logistic problems. More importantly, we haven't. It's something we want to do, but we haven't had an idea. We don't want to just, let's put it this way, I don't want to be a membership program just to have a membership program. I don't think it's fair for the collectors. So until our team has a very clear direction, what we can provide the collector through a membership program, the news, the information, what we can do, then we will launch the program like this. At this moment, not. Yes, 2027 November will be 10th anniversary of MiniGT. And our team has begun to plan for a celebration. So we have many ideas. It definitely will be a big celebration for MiniGT. And we definitely will share our plan with you in the near future. It definitely will be a big celebration. Okay.
Spicy questions, spicy answers. This is a great question. So, this is the answer to this, and it comes up every once in a while. And the actual question is, as an artist myself, and kind of also being an artist brand, is how do you put a price on it? And it's a very hard, difficult question to answer. And it's going to be different for everyone. And our perspective is we try to find a balance between the artist, the artwork, and the artist, and the efforts that go into these programs, and the value it brings to our fans and collectors. And we feel that right now, there is a balance. It is challenged every once in a while, but that's what I mentioned before. There's, we have issues with selling these kind of things. But at the moment, we feel that the price is justified based on what I special. So yeah, it's a great question. It's a very honest question. It's a very honest question. So we feel that the pricing reflects the value and the efforts and work that goes into it. So I think that we'll just have to see how that goes. Okay?
All right, so I think that's it for the quick polls, and then we can open up.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now the questions are open to all of you. Who would like to start the Q&A session? Please raise your hands and we have our models to be right over to you. Way over there, that's 1 and 2. Can we have Mike way over there, please? Certainly we can set up and talk closer as well.
Cuba tanya dia nanti dia boleh beli bila. Tengok kata.
Come here, come here.
Tengok kata apa dah. That's
Alright, please say your name and the question and address it to either Mr. Jun or Mr. Tan.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Arya Dara from Koreas. I'm from Indonesia. And I would like to ask a question to Jun. And the first is, I think it was already answered about the inspiration behind the designing of the model, but I would like to ask another question about what are the difficulties of designing a Lego house? Like, I see you have a very wild design and you have a very limited packaging size. So, what makes Lego house like? Does it really have to follow the packaging size to make the body kits like smaller or more narrower, or you just kind of go with it and do whatever you like? And also the last question I would like to ask is, I've seen the Volkswagen Bus in like, I think a bigger scale, like maybe 143, and my question is it a possibility to kind of us making a bigger scale for the future, like making it a more details and more having a more openable, like something like that. And I think that's it for me. Thank you.
Great questions. Give me like 3 seconds to digest all of that. Let's start with the large scale model. We did that just as a fun reference model because we thought it'd be fun to see the large scale, see all the details and the work that went into it. You know, it's a possibility. I mean, what do you guys think? Would you like to see something large scale like that? Is that something that interests you guys? No? Yes? No? Yes? Certainly anything's possible if there's a piece for it. Sorry, what was the first question again? Can you go back and ask me one more time? Packaging. Oh, the packaging, the scale of packaging and integrated through design?
Yeah, it was sort of like the process of the making of the toolings, for example, like the Volkswagen Bus, like last year it has a slightly different design compared to this year, right? So is it the changes? Is it because of your personal taste, or is it because like the practical difficulties, like the factory cannot make it like this wild or something like that?
So there's a couple things. One is as I developed the 3D, I started refining the model. So there are some small changes in refinements, and a lot of things, you know, with that model in particular, there's a lot of difficulties because the engine layout doesn't really exist in that model. Right? So I actually built that engine in 3D and built it so it would work with the model. If you look at all the engine programming, it actually works. So that was a real engine. And these are the things that we do, and a lot of that comes just from experience and also just having fun and being on the too. And in terms of packaging constraints, we've been pretty okay so far. I think our tooling challenges are packaging just a little bit. And probably our Kaido Star Kaido Lacer is at the very limit of our packaging, but clearly something like the Kaido Star Follower is going to require. We're just going to build and see what fits, and if it doesn't fit, then we'll have to make some adjustments. Thank you.
Thank you for your question. Alright, next question. Sorry, yes. Okay, sir, you come closer. Come closer. Thank you. Please introduce your name and address your question to either Sanan or Mr. Jun.
Bila duduk sandar tu, hardcore lah. Dia tak dapat tengok soalan. Orang teruja dengan kain tu.
I want to make sure I read it correctly. The cheese pieces for PLK or cheese pieces for PLK. Super cheese. Yeah, super cheese.
Super cheese?
So we did the super cheese once for Black 113, and we
Chase tu kata kan. Dia Bristol kan.
I wouldn't say we would do it again, but we have to have a really good reason to do it. Because we don't want to do it just to do it. I think maybe to celebrate our special occasion or purpose, we might consider that. But we have to take it for the team, we have to take it for the men, and so that's not my yeah. So we're going to have to see.
When will LTD be released? Is it tomorrow or Sunday? I am not able to answer that, but we welcome you to come early.
My name is Nick. I have a question for Quebec. So, recently I think there's the first necessary
Kaido tak ada director kita.
So there is a lot of comments.
Kaido tak ada director kita, but Kaido for your friend.
So there's two new committees, which is really good. I would suggest
Tiga petang, tiga malam, 9 malam, sampai kita sebalik. Dia duduk macam ni, kursi dah lah yang duduk. Dia tunggu. Memang dia bilang kita tak bawa ni. Dia atas meja tu pun.
Ada
yang China ni, yang yang lagi ini mesti gratis. Jalan tu dia bukan setakat jadi lah, brain lag plus.
I understand. It was a difficult decision because
aku tak ada set up lagi.
that's all people tell me. In fact, that's only half, even less than half of the year. But then, you know, if we want to make any small component right, if we make it into two pieces, we will have a gap in between. In 164 scale, that is so after some consideration, I feel that is not right. But it's probably tolerant. This is the light of light on this beautiful aroma without any unnecessary cap. Both the cost is higher than the shooting cost. The protection required. And the Porsche and AMG will be, I would say, much smaller because those are the showrooms. That's not the leasing factories. So it's pretty small. You have a little bit of there are glasses in the transparent area. We will be trying to have a lot of inside on the outside. You will see a beautiful terminology
Thank you for your question. Next question. Please say your name and address the question to you. Is that right?
Buat air tu. Air pahit dan baik. Tak nak gula.
Kotak packaging.
Apa?
is to make it unique for everything else. In terms of scale,
Thank you so much for the question. We have one last question. I saw his hand up very, very long. Please come to the front, please. Let's then receive a big round of applause as well. Thank you. Yes.
My name is Ashwin from Asia, and please my English. I have 3 questions. One for Mr. Jun. Any piece of advice for young designers out there who wish to be a celebrity in automotive skill like you? Second, for Mr. Glenn, how do I apply for internship at your company?
I think that's the cheat code to get you down to the next time. No. I get asked this a lot, and I think for myself, like for me, my formal education and experience actually is an automotive design, but I chose the path of stories because for me it's a lot more fun. It's a lot of toys. Usually to grow up with toys, and it's just something that stayed with me my whole life. And what I would say is to make sure that you really love what you do when it comes to design. And one of the things that I've realized over the years, I was in design school, probably decades ago, so I've been drawing all my life. And I think there's a distinct difference between being a designer and being an artist. I'm not going to sit here and explain what the differences are, but I think it's important as a creative to realize that there is a difference, and it's to realize the structure. I think when you find that, you'll find that it's a lot easier to get to the job. But the cheat code is just really nice.
Honestly, I think it's an interesting idea. You can work on it, alright? Well, thank you. I appreciate it, everyone spending time every year.
Lama je kau dengan tu dia. Sebab titik naik. Tak ada.
So thank you so much. We hope to see you next year. Alright? Thank you.
The show is not over because now it's time to bring up the man that has put his blood, sweat, and tears into this. Please give it up for Jake from JLHobby.
It's been a very time to have all of you here and everything. But at the same time, I think we should remember something as well, that as much as how nice the dinner looks like, Glenn and Drew giving his presentation, and we are lucky enough to have Mr. Lumia with us here. We also shouldn't forget the amount of effort that Glenn and his UGP team and Drew and his team put into having all this, and also having their booth at LEX. The amount of effort that Glenn and Drew have spent, the amount of time that they've traveled, the amount of time that their team has put into creating all this, I think they deserve a real big round of applause. So give it up for Glenn and Drew. Thank you so much. So I hope all of you had a great time, and
So this is the last part before we move to the autograph session from Mr. Glenn, June, and Mia. The gift redemption counters are on the left and on the right. So I would like to ask all of you to move in orderly fashion. You can proceed to both counters at each end to line up for your gift bag redemption, and you can come back later here for the autograph. So once again, thank you everybody. Thank you for coming. Good night. So ladies and gentlemen, right now is the time for you to collect your redemption gift. Take your time, guys. Relax. That's enough for everyone. There's 2 redemption counters, one on the left and one on the right. So you know, on the left side of the hall, you can see the left side.
Enough for everyone. Hey, baru muncul. Cepat makan. Kat sini je barang kan? Ada barang berharga tak? Ada tu lah. Paling berharga black tu lah. Ada black RM1,500 tak lari.
Bro, you table nombor berapa sana? C
Lah.
apa? C apa?
Sana.
C yang siap.
I ambil boot di satu